جات رسولنا اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وَلَقَدْ جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ بِالْبُشْرَى قَالُوا سَلَامًا قَالَ سَلَامٌ فَمَا لَبِثَ أَنْ جَاءَ بِعِجْلٍ حَنِيذٍ. Translation given here is, and surely our messengers came to Abraham with glad tidings. They said, we bid you peace. He answered, peace be on you, and he was not long in bringing a roasted calf.
Huzur, it is the prophets of Allah who carry the glad tidings and warnings to the people. But here the message is the other way around. Normal human beings are carrying message from Allah to prophets of Allah.
Who told you this?
I read from our commentary that they were not angels and not messengers, but they were human beings.
You see, either way, it can be understood correctly. Sometimes the word angels is used for the people who are angelic in their character, who was given a special message to be delivered to people by Allah. So some people who take this meaning, they are quite right. It is possible. But in the context of this verse, it is also possible. It cannot be ruled out altogether that angels appeared in the form of humans. Like we know positively that an angel appeared to, peace be upon her, in human form. This is also the Quranic statement. So to rule out the possibility of angels appearing in human form is wrong. And the context of this verse also inclines us to believe that they were angels in human forms. Because when they were offered roasted meat, they declined to eat it. While if they have traveled from long distance, like mostly people take journey from one place to another, they should be tired, they should be hungry, they should seek water, and when it is offered, they refuse to take. So that could be an indication that they are not real humans. They are acquiring a human apparition, like it happens so many times. Don't you remember that if Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah saw Jibreel in the form of humans? And there are many traditions which indicate that the person who asked him some questions was not a person from around Medina or from Medina itself, because he should have been known if it was a Medinite who asked this question, who asked the questions. I mean, there's so many ahadiths indicating positively that angels sometimes take the form of humans while they are not humans. So it should be understandable by you in the light of this. Very clear. I mean, very clearly it should have been understood by you. Got it? Now, you better translate it in the remaining time. So I'll go back and I have Quran translation, Quran, for which I have to just to scan it quickly, what I have to translate today. Right? Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.